just got another unbelievable surprise. It's incredible. This place just keeps giving and giving and giving and giving and never ends. It's just sensational. The only difference is we've got a few photographers around this morning. Not many. We're used to just being on our own, weren't we? Kind of don't know what it's like. Oh, look. Check that out now, mate. It's starting to go red. This is our third day, is it? Third or second day? Third day into staying up in the mountains near El Chaltén, and I've just dropped my 15 to 30 lens on the rock and it is not working anymore. So I've found a way to kind of use it, and I'm just going to have to use the 70 to 224 to 70 as much as I can. Absolutely gutted. Look at that view out there anyway. All good, mate?
All good.
You're just waiting for his Tamron lens to stop fogging up.
Indeed.
That's what happens when you buy a Tamron lens, isn't it, mate?
They were there before Pentax. I had no choice. Now I want to get the Pentax.
There you go, mate.
Look at that view.
I know. I'm just showing everyone the view. It's just insane, isn't it?
Counting down. Action.
Go.
Okay, we've just arrived at Laguna Torre with a perfect view without any clouds of Cerro Torre. And the conditions are excellent. I'm going to stay here and wait for a bit of light. There's just us here. We've got some icebergs down there to take some picture of, and it's going to be really good. And I'm shooting everything at f2.8 because I have a broken lens.
How did that happen?
I dropped it.
Oh no.
Oh no. The insurance companies don't know that though. So I'm going to be really good at focus stacking when I get home. And I'm going to have to use a neutral density filter too, I think. Otherwise I'm going to be having like, 5,000ths of a second. Awesome.
Trouble today, as you've seen. I dropped my 15 to 30 lens, and basically what I've found is the blade that actually controls the internal blades for aperture isn't working. So basically the blades are remaining 100% open, so I'm assuming that I am shooting everything at f2.8. because I tried everything before and it was overexposing by a lot, so I'm assuming that's what the case is here. So I'm shooting at f2.8. To fix that problem, I'm shooting in live view. I'm focusing with contrast detection at f2.8. I'm using my white balance, my highlight warning to tell me when I'm overexposing. And then I'm just going to take two shots. So I'm sort of aiming one shot at f2.8 down at these glaciers here, which I'm using as a leading line. And then I'll take a second shot zooming into probably around this area here. When I blend them in Photoshop, I should have a sharp image. I've realised this is the best point of view I can get. I've got myself up nice and high. I can't have an immediate foreground in my image. It's going to affect my my depth of field. So because I'm only shooting at 2.8, I'm up a bit high, and I'm just doing. I'll have to do focus stacking. I'll do 2 or 3 images, and I'll stack them together later on 2.8. And I hope it turns out. It's the second last day anyway, so you can see now there's dark contrasts coming off the top there now. My God, that's insane. Okay, night 3 in Shell 10. We've changed campsites here. And what are you getting stuck into, Edward?
White wine.
White wine?
Water.
Water, of course.
Yeah, but lions drink water and they're really strong, so hey.
Here we all are here. Hi everybody.
Hey.
How are we going?
How are you?
So good. Here's the kitchen going in here. Hello. What is your name?
Lucia.
Lucia. Pleased to meet you, Lucia. Are you the chef?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes, I do chef.
Look at this camping kitchen. Isn't this incredible? Huh? Look at that. She does everything in there. Tonight she's making. Oh, wow. There he is. Yeah, thanks, mate. You got. Jeez, it's a bit difficult, isn't it? This is the drinks table. Water, hot water actually, which is nice. And in here we've got the little cute kitchen. The dining room. Which is nice.